we will proceed to a vote on whether he is qualified to enjoy any office of honor, trust, or profit under the United States.
A clear decision in a divided chamber, Donald Trump faced his second impeachment trial on Tuesday.
You don't fight like hell, you're not going to have a country anymore.
Incitement of insurrection is the fundamental charge behind the impeachment article. During Trump's previous impeachment, he was accused of two things: obstruction of justice and abuse of power.
He was impeached for inciting a violent insurrection, an insurrection where people died in this building.
Ahead of the vote, Republicans had argued that Trump could not be convicted once out of office. This was dismissed by the prosecution, but the votes alleged that Trump impeachment is constitutional.
We're going to walk down to the Capitol.
Yeah! Let's take the Capitol!
The trial could conclude as early as next week, as lawmakers from both parties seek to put a divisive debate in the past.
That's a high crime and misdemeanor. If that's not an impeachable offense, then there is no such thing.
During the second day of the impeachment trial, the Democratic House accused the former president of inciting the Capitol riot.
Some of you have said there's no way the president could have known how violent the mob would be. That is false.
Trump's legal defenders mentioned the former president's words were protected by free speech and that the trial is political.
They hated the results of the 2016 election and want to use this impeachment process to further their political agenda.
Windows.
Managers argued that Trump began inciting a violent attempt to overturn the results of the election, not on the day of the Capitol attack, but in the months beforehand by lying about his loss.
Donald Trump surrendered his role as commander-in-chief and became the inciter-in-chief.